when you're on any kind of property open to the general public, can you receive a lawfully issued trespass citation? Can you be arrested for trespassing? Well, the answer is no matter what state you're in, because the U.S. Supreme Court clarified that many years ago. But let's kind of peel apart Michigan's trespass law because it's super simple. In order to be guilty of criminal trespass here in Michigan, that's statute 750.552, you have to intentionally remain without lawful authority on the premises of another after being notified to depart by the owner or the occupant or the owner's agent. So they have the word occupant in there, like if it's an apartment building and you're renting an apartment, if you tell someone to leave, well, you have the right to tell somebody to leave if you live there. But it's a pretty simple statute when you really look at it. And the person that is on the property has to have lawful authority. If you have lawful authority to be, say, on property of a store that is open to the general public, you have lawful authority to be there because the Constitution, whether you look at the First Amendment or the Due Process Clause or the Equal Protection Clause or a variety of other things, you have a lawful right and a constitutionally protected right to be present where other members of the general public are allowed to be present. So you cannot be arrested or charged or cited for criminal trespass here in Michigan, according to the language there. Or, like I mentioned, you actually can't receive a criminal trespassing charge in any state of the U.S. for these same reasons. And the Supreme Court clarified that.